Hello, party fire pit people. You know who it is, Jonathan, Montana Fire Pits. In this video, I'm going to describe more about the different configurations and sizes and how that relates in the Crossfire brass fire pit burner. Here you go. I'm going to do my best in this video to describe a little bit more about the configurations and the shapes and the sizes and how it all relates to the size that you choose of the burner. BTUs, number of jets, size of the burner, and so forth. No matter what burner you choose, this is very, very important, and this is the basis of the Crossfire system. We know that these jets are the magic, okay? And what I'm going to explain is effectively each jet produces exactly the same flame. So the larger the burner, the more jets. The 180,000 BTU versus the 290,000 BTU comes in the flame configuration and the number of jets. Is the flame hotter? No! A flame is a flame. Are there more flames? Yes. So, let's burn one and I'll just kind of describe how that works. So you can see that what's happening here is this happens to be the 110,000 BTU tree style. Now, you can see that each one of these jets is producing exactly the same flame. So, you can see that the difference is how those jets are positioned. If we were burning this one, which is an 84,000 BTU, it's just a matter of how many jets there are and how those jets are positioned. The important thing to note is that it's not a pyramid. The flames don't get smaller as you go out. And also, as Crossfire indicates, all of the jets are pointing in to create a converged, very tall, very awesome flame. You can also think of the Crossfire burner as modular, okay? So all of the sizes, all of the configurations. Don't get too confused, because what you're looking at is what size burner is going to work best for the inside dimension of your fire feature and the BTUs that you have available. This guy happens to be an H style, 9 by 24. You can see also, look at that. H style indicates that there are two linear rows, and all the jets are pointing in towards each other to create a very tall, amazing looking flame. Another thing to consider is that effectively each jet produces roughly the area of 10,000 BTUs. So as you go up in size, the number of jets is going to correlate directly to the number of thousands of BTUs. As usual, guys, I hope this video helps you. It's answering questions that we get all the time. Visit montanafirepits.com to research, view, and check out the burners that are going to work best for your pit. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. As always, like, comment, share. We love it. Thank you so much, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.